In fact, more developments on this front. A total of 18 people have now been detained in the Red Fort blast case. This includes lab technicians as well from the Al Falah University. Remember, Al Falah University is at the center of this terror module. A lot of these doctors who have now been detained, they were working at this university. In fact, raids and searches have been going on at this university. And now we're given to understand that a total of 18 people have now been detained in this case so far. If you see, the investigation has been going on very rapidly by the NIA. And now we know that out of these 18, a lot of them are from Al Falah University, which is at the center of this white-collar terror module. It also, in fact, includes lab technicians. Remember, most of these people are doctors, highly educated doctors who turn to this jihadist ideology and what has now been exposed as a white-collar terror module, in fact. Most of them are now being questioned by the NIA to understand and to unravel the links linked to this Faridabad terror module. Remember, it's a Jaish terror module that was operating in India. And at this point, Indian agencies working up quite rapidly. A total of 18 arrests have been made so far in the Red Fort blast case. Remember, 9 precious lives were lost in this case. Indian Prime Minister has clearly said that those behind this and their backers, in fact, will not be spared. An agency is also working on the same pace now. A total of 18 people detained so far in this case. We're given to understand this also includes lab technicians from Al Falah University. Remember, this is the epicenter of this terror module. Searches, raids have been going on at this university. Doctors who've been accused in the case are linked to this university. What exactly was happening? What is the terror nexus at the center of this university? This will be revealed, of course, as the investigation continues. So far, what we know is 18 people have been arrested in this case, and it does include lab technicians from this Al Falah University. Details are still pouring in, but this is the latest that we know as far as the investigation goes.